Our number one focus really is just building a team here who can impact the community around them.
We exist to transform the customer experience, not just the customer's roof. That's always going to be relatively the same. We want the entire experience from initial phone call to final payment to be an amazing experience that they would want to do again if they needed to, that they wouldn't be scared to do again.
No matter where we are in the organization, whether I'm the president, whether I'm a repair tech, whether I'm doing the bookwork, whatever, we all want to have that attitude of being excited to serve our customers. What we find lacking here a lot of times in the home improvement industry is contractors are interested in providing customers with a product or a service, right? Sometimes that's mismatched with the outcome the customer's looking for. I can say, look, I'm going to give you a new roof, but if that's not really going to solve your problem, do you really want it? Maybe not. And so that's where we'll come in, and oftentimes, somebody tells them they need a new roof, we'll come in and do a repair, and it lasts another 3 years. So we're really interested in focusing on what is the actual problem, and we'll take care of the back end work of coordinating everything to make sure they get a solution to that problem and not just get some kind of product sold to them.
We want our customers to not only be amazed at the new roof and how well it functions, or the new siding or gutters, but we want them to be amazed that they knew exactly what was happening all the time.
To really want the customer to have that confidence, to know that when they chose Joyland, they made the right choice.